Summer is here. It's time for sunshine, outdoor fun, and delicious food. Let's discover 20 summer foods kids love. Aster Basics. Ice cream. Ice cream is a favorite summer treat. Kids love enjoying a scoop or two on a sunny day.
Ice cream is a cool and delicious summer treat.
Popsicle. Popsicles are frozen treats on a stick. They're fun to eat and perfect for a hot summer day.
A popsicle is a fun and refreshing frozen treat.
Smoothie. Smoothies are creamy, cool drinks made by blending ingredients together. They're a refreshing summer favorite.
A smoothie is a cool and creamy summer drink.
Milkshake. Milkshakes are thick, creamy drinks that are often topped with whipped cream. Kids love sipping them on summer outings.
A milkshake is a thick and creamy summer drink.
Sundae. A sundae is ice cream topped with delicious extras like chocolate sauce, sprinkles, or whipped cream.
A sundae is ice cream with lots of yummy toppings.
Snow cone. A snow cone is made with shaved ice and sweet flavored syrup. It's a colorful and icy summer treat.
A snow cone is colorful, shaved ice with sweet syrup.
Slushie. A slushie is a cold, icy drink with a fun, slushy texture. It's a refreshing treat for a warm day.
A slushie is a cold and icy drink with a fun texture.
Frozen yogurt. Frozen yogurt is a cool, creamy treat that can be topped with tasty toppings. Kids love choosing their favorites.
Frozen yogurt is a cool and creamy treat.
Ice cream sandwich. An ice cream sandwich has creamy ice cream between two cookies. It's a delicious treat to enjoy outdoors in summer.
An ice cream sandwich has ice cream between two cookies.
Sorbet. Sorbet is a smooth, frozen treat made without dairy. Its bright flavors make it a refreshing summer favorite.
Sorbet is a smooth and fruity frozen treat.
Gelato. Gelato is a smooth and creamy frozen dessert. It comes in many delicious flavors for kids to enjoy.
Gelato is a smooth and creamy frozen dessert.
Parfait. A parfait is made by layering ingredients such as yogurt, fruit, and crunchy toppings. It's colorful and fun to eat.
A parfait has tasty layers of yogurt and crunchy toppings.
Jello. Jello is a wobbly, colorful dessert that's fun to eat. It's a playful treat for summer gatherings.
Jello is a colorful and wobbly dessert that is fun to eat.
S'mores. S'mores are a classic outdoor treat made with toasted marshmallows, chocolate, and crackers. They're especially fun around a campfire.
S'mores are a delicious treat to enjoy around a campfire.
Corn on the cob. Corn on the cob is a popular summer food at picnics and barbecues. It's fun to eat right off the cob.
Corn on the cob is a tasty favorite at summer picnics and barbecues.
Pizza. Pizza is a favorite at summer picnics and outdoor parties. Sharing a warm slice with friends makes summer even more fun.
Pizza is extra fun to enjoy with friends at a summer picnic.
Hot dog. Hot dogs are a classic summer picnic and barbecue food. Kids love enjoying them outdoors with their favorite toppings.
Hot dogs are a classic food to enjoy at summer barbecues.
Hamburger. Hamburgers are another favorite at summer barbecues. They're delicious when enjoyed outside with family and friends.
Hamburgers are a delicious favorite at summer barbecues.
Sandwich. Sandwiches are easy to pack for a summer picnic. Kids can enjoy them while relaxing and playing outdoors.
A sandwich is easy to pack and enjoy on a summer picnic.
Cupcake. Cupcakes are a fun treat for summer parties and picnics. Their little size makes them easy to enjoy.
Cupcakes are a fun little treat for summer parties.
Ice cream, pizza, hot dogs, s'mores, and so many more. Which summer food is your favorite and which food would you like to try? Tell us in the comments. If you liked the video, hit the like button, share it with your family and friends, subscribe Aster Basics, and turn on the notification for updates on more fun and educational videos.